Hey guys and fellow traders. Today we want to I'm doing a video that I want to show you how to make a withdrawal. I know I already have a video about withdrawal, though there's something I didn't make clear about the same, and some people have been having problems with the withdrawals. So I decided today I'm going to make a withdrawal, then we see all the steps, because some of you have been conned. You've been told, I don't know, to buy a portfolio or something like that. You ended up losing your money, and I believe that's not supposed to be the case. Everyone should just get what is theirs. So I'm going to do this short video, and I want to give you all the steps from where you start to the point where you now receive the money. So I'll show you every step along the way so that you cannot lose money in the future. You avoid those instances where someone tells you they've deposited money and yet they've not done anything. Now I'll start with depositing. Let's say your account is at zero. You don't have any money in your account. So what do? We have options, and I'll just showcase a few. Then we go to the withdrawal part. So let's start by deposit. Of course, you need to deposit, trade, and withdraw, or deposit, and maybe if you get an emergency, you can still withdraw the amount you deposited. Now, if you want to deposit your money into your account, you click on this. You click where I was trading. You click this thing. Let's just clear this first of all. Then you click on this circle here on the left, top left. Now, when you click on that, it takes you to another option where we have the smart trader. Now here you click on these three lines on the right side. Then you're going to see trade, portfolio, profit table, statement, cashier, resources. Now you want to go to cashier. You click on cashier. This is the process of depositing. Now your fiat account is set to USD, depending on which account you have, but most of us have USD accounts. You scroll, you're going to have deposit via bank option. If you have credit debit cards, you can use them. If you have cryptocurrency, they are here. And if you decide, like myself, I decided that I'll be doing my business using agents, because agents are very quick to send your money, but you also have to decide which agent you're using. So in my case, I've been using only one agent ever since I started trading, like 1.5 years ago. I've only been using one agent. And now, how do you get these people's details? You go to deposit, you choose a USD account, then you say continue. Then it's going to take you to a place where all the agents are aligned. How to use, in fact, we have the agent statement, how to use a payment agent. You can read all those. Now you scroll. For me, I usually use this guy called Plus Binary Cash M-Pesa. This guy here, very efficient. Now there are some commissions they get, so here you can read. Now what you do is you take his number is here, and I already have his number. Now that's how to get his number when you want to make, even if you already have your deposits in your account. That's how to get their details: his email address, his Facebook, whatever link, and here is his number. Now I already saved his number. His name is Edward. So what you do, that is when you deposit, or if you want the details of your agents. Now this is the person I recommend. He will send your money within 2 minutes, and you're going to observe. Now, we've deposited, we've made trades, and we've made profits. So we want to make a withdrawal, and let's check a minimum or maximum deposit here. It's $10. Once you hit $10, you can make a withdrawal, and at the maximum you can deposit or withdraw through him is $2,000, which is almost 200 and something thousand Kenya shillings. So let's go back to making that's how to deposit. Now you take his number, you contact him, he tells you what to do. You'll send him your CR is this number here, the number that's above here, the number that starts with CR 3236 that is my account. So what you do, that's what you send to him. He tells you where to send the money. You send the money, then you'll receive the money into your CR account within a few minutes. Also note, when that happens, you are going to receive an email notification of the deposit. So let nobody tell you that they've deposited money without you having to receive an email, and they just send you a screenshot. Some people are very cunning. They'll take your account, edit, fix it into another screenshot that has some money, then they send you. That's what I've been told. Someone was sent a screenshot of their account. Up here, what they were seeing is their account, but they didn't receive any email, neither did their account reflect any money. And they were told, now I've done some trading for you, send me some 5,500 for our withdrawal portfolio. Don't do that, because nobody can make your money move from $20 to $400 within 2 hours, regardless of how sharp they are in trading. That is close to impossible. Yes, you could have that lucky jump, but it doesn't happen daily. So guys, be cautious. Now let's go to the withdrawal part. I go back here to cashier. Then we are going to make a withdrawal. So withdrawal here, we want to withdraw from a USD account. We say okay. Then we move this to, you're going to get an email. First, there's an email that will be sent to you for verification that it's you who wants to make that withdrawal. So let's check my emails if I have any. I think let's just go to this email here. The email is going to come to verify that it's me who wants to, here it is, here we have it. Verify your withdrawal. Hi Thaddeus, that's my name. Before you can process your withdrawal, you first need to check that it was you who made the request. Then you click there. It takes you back to your account. It takes you back to your account. Now that's where you are going to choose the agent. Select a payment agent. You click in there and you scroll. You look for that agent you trust. For me, I'm looking for Plus Binary Cash M-Pesa. His name is Edward. Then the amount you want to withdraw, you type here the amount. For example, I want $100. Then you say submit. Then after submitting, you need to confirm. You need to confirm. Now it is confirmed that we had initially had $114. Right now we have $14, meaning 100 has been subtracted from the balance we had. Now you take a screenshot. Take a screenshot of this transaction or of this notification. Now, once you have this screenshot, what you do is you alert the agent that you've made a withdrawal, because he can't automatically know that you've made a withdrawal without you notifying them. Now, what we do is I'm going to go to my WhatsApp. We go back to, you can call him, you can text him, SMS him, but for me, I prefer I prefer what we call WhatsApp, because with WhatsApp, Edward, here it is, his number, his number. So what you do is you just send the image, send the image to him, then you wait. Send the image and wait. That's my WhatsApp. He's going to make once he sees what is happening, once he gets the message, he's going to send the money. And I want to make sure that I'm not pausing. Last time people were claiming, you made a pause, you don't know if the money was coming from him. So we want to make sure that where is his number? Edward, here he is. So once he makes that transaction, I'm going to receive an image, a message from M-Pesa that I've received the money. We are going to open the message. You want to see everything. These are the steps that you need to take. So I've shown you how to deposit and how to withdraw. And I've also given you some disclaimers. Don't just do things randomly. Sometimes, if it's your first time, you need to give him your number where he sends the money. Like this person, this is a friend of mine called Geoffrey. You can see his account is different. With whom we trade. So he asked me to help him make a withdrawal. So he has already viewed, you can see, has already viewed my, let me delete this. This was for someone who made a withdrawal and they didn't know what to do. I've just deleted their number so that it's not in the public domain. There's someone who made a withdrawal and they didn't know what to do next. So they sent me their screenshot. I helped them get the money by sending it to Edward. You see, I forwarded it to Edward. Then I gave Edward that person's number. The lady is called Elizabeth. It was her first time. So I gave the screenshot to Edward. Edward sent the money to the lady directly. I didn't want to come in contact with her money because that wasn't my money. I was only helping her to make a withdrawal. Sorry, to receive the funds, because she didn't know the steps of forwarding this kind of image to the person, to the agent. So I helped her. She got the money. And from there, I believe we've done business. She purchased a boat from me. She has made some withdrawals, and everything is fine. Let's wait for Mr. Edward to deposit the money. And the good thing is, once he deposits the money, I'm going to receive. He's going to notify me by telling me that it's done. So we are waiting for that message so that everyone can see the money come in. In the meantime, we can check my M-Pesa balance so that when the money comes, you don't say maybe it was that much. I only had a few. My balance is 1991. My balance is 1991. 1,100. Yes, so we can wait. Let's give him some time. Today he's taking long, but I don't know why. So alternatively, if that happens, you can always give him a call. So you can call him. I'm trying not. Let me pause so that you don't see my everything. Sometimes it's very risky to 5 minutes later, he has not sent the money. I don't know what's happening, but he's online now. It takes him, you give him like 10 minutes. that's something I will tell you, because maybe he's driving, you know, it's still very early in the morning, it's 6. Someone maybe just woke up, but during the day he's very active. So let's just wait here and see the money come in. And in fact, it's there. Yeah, you've received from Edward Kimani. Immediately he sends the money, he comes and says done. So guys, I've received the money. Although, give him up to 10 minutes. Don't be in a hurry, don't panic. You can see $100 is coming to 11,800 to your M-Pesa. Please await M-Pesa notification transaction. And the same is here. The same is in my M-Pesa, 11,800. So these are transactions that have just happened right now. You can't say it was done, and you can check the date is 15th December. The date's here. Up here it's 15th December, and everything it's okay. Everything is fine. Everything is as good, as perfect as perfection could be. So I think you've seen what you need to do. Get the person's number. Once you make a withdrawal, notify him. Don't just withdraw and sit there. He won't know, and he won't tell which number you want the money to be sent to. But in my case, I don't have to give him my number, because he already knows that I am the one who has made, because it's not my first time to make a withdrawal through him. I've been doing these transactions through him. So whenever I make a withdrawal, I just send the screenshot and that's it. So guys, I think that's the much you need to know. And I wish you a lovely festive season, and trade cautiously. And what else? What else do you want to know? For all questions, all concerns, you can always reach me on my WhatsApp number, which I'm going to leave in the description. Then those people who want to be guided on how to trade or how to create bots, something of the sort, I usually help, but I don't give free bots nowadays, because you give people, they go make money, then they start reusing those bots, selling the bots that you gave them for free. You know, it's so bad for someone to give you something for free and you sell it, which is still okay. You can sell it, you are allowed, but you don't even come back to say thanks. That's where the problem comes. So I give free bots once in a while, but not always. At least to those who have purchased from me. If you come to my WhatsApp, you asking for free bots, and you really know deep within you've never bought anything from me, I don't think if that's a real business that's going to happen. But those who have ever purchased bots from me and they need help, they need guidance, they need some free bot maybe, or updated versions, those ones will always come for free. So guys, thanks for watching, and I wish you all the best. Bye for now, until the next video.